Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we dive into the stinging world of a plant that most people try to avoid, but few truly understand. Often dismissed as a common weed, the stinging nettle is actually one of the most versatile and powerful plants on Earth. From ancient Roman soldiers to modern superfoods, here are 10 fascinating facts you probably didn't know about. The stinging nettle. Number 1. The Roman survival tool. Legend has it that Roman soldiers brought nettles to colder climates, rubbing the leaves on their skin to intentionally cause a sting. This improved circulation and helped them stay warm during freezing winters. Number 2. Stronger than cotton. Nettle fibers are incredibly strong and durable. During World War I, when cotton was scarce, nettles were used to make everything from uniforms to ropes, and even high-quality paper. Number 3. A hidden nutritional powerhouse. Wait for weight, dried nettle leaves contain more protein than almost any other green vegetable and are packed with more iron than spinach. Number 4. The sting is a chemical weapon. The tiny hairs on the leaves, called trichomes, act like miniature hypodermic needles. When touched, they inject a cocktail of formic acid and histamine, creating that famous stinging sensation. Number 5. Nature's purest dye. For centuries, nettles were used to color fabrics. The leaves produce a beautiful permanent green dye, while the roots can be used to create a vibrant yellow. Number 6. The butterfly nursery. Nettles are essential for biodiversity. Many beautiful butterfly species, such as the red admiral and the peacock, rely exclusively on nettles as a safe place to lay their eggs. Number 7. A natural fertilizer. If you soak nettles in water for a few weeks, you create nettle tea, not for drinking, but for gardening. It is one of the best organic, nitrogen-rich fertilizers in the world. Number 8. Heat destroys the sting. You don't have to fear the sting when eating them. Simply blanching the leaves in boiling water for 30 seconds completely neutralizes the stinging hairs, making them perfectly safe and delicious. Number 9. The ancient medicine cabinet. From treating allergies to reducing inflammation, nettles have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years to detoxify the body and support joint health. Number 10. Better for hair than soap. Nettle extract is a secret weapon for hair care. It is famous for its ability to stimulate hair growth, add shine, and naturally treat scalp issues. The nettle is proof that nature's most guarded secrets are often hidden behind a sting. Which fact surprised you the most? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden wonders of the forest. Until next time, stay connected to the wild.